This is an obstacle avoiding car. Oops. Things I used. Gear motors, for power source, servo. Arduino Uno, motor driver, ultrasonic sensor, and some jumper wires. This is how the motors will be placed, with ice cream sticks. It looks like this. After making the connections, the setup becomes a bit messy, but after it is placed inside a cardboard body, it looks good. Here I have a problem. When I connect a 9 volts battery, the Arduino and the driver shows peaks and does not work. When I connect a rechargeable 5 volts battery, there are no peaks, but it still doesn't work. But when I connect it with a charging cable, it works perfectly.